Go full screen.
Top right, they got the slideshow button.
There we go. All right. So we did our capstone on enumeration boilerplating, Stephen Montgomery and Matt Ambrose.
Automating enumeration tasks such as port scanning is a fundamental cybersecurity for efficiently identifying potential vulnerabilities within target networks or systems. Enumerating open ports and services can be time-consuming, which introduces the importance of boilerplating, creating a reusable code template for automation. By automating port scanning processes, security professionals can streamline their efforts, ensuring consistency and accuracy across different environments. In this project, we'll delve into the principles of enumeration boilerplating and demonstrate how to automate a port scanner using Python. Through this, we aim to enhance our cybersecurity capabilities by efficiently identifying and addressing potential security risks.
So a port scanner serves as a crucial tool in day-to-day business operations by supporting various aspects of network security and management. Regular port scanning helps assess network security posture, identify vulnerabilities, and maintain proactive security measures. It aids in vulnerability management by detecting outdated software, misconfigurations, and insecure services, enabling organizations to prioritize and remediate security risk effectively. Port scanning also plays a vital role in incident response, regulatory compliance, network troubleshooting, and offensive security practices such as penetration testing and red teaming. By leveraging port scanning, businesses can enhance their security posture, ensure regulatory compliance, and efficiently manage network resources to mitigate risk and maintain operation integrity.
For our proof of concept, here's kind of a basic port scanner, which was given to us by various sources at the end. And pretty much this is just the blueprint of what we were attempting to do. And we go further in detail in the next slide.
All right, so the first thing we did was we imported the socket module. This allowed us to create network communication. The second step was we created just a simple input variable to enter the IP address, whichever IP address is going to be scanned. Then we specified a port range. In this example, we used 1 to 10,000. We created another variable, which we called S, that uses a function from this previous socket module to establish an internet and a TCP connection. So we created a third variable called result, which uses exception handling to connect to both the IP address and its ports. So in the fifth step, we create another variable, an if-else statement, that if the result from this exception equals 0, then that means the port is open. If there is a result, so if there is an exception, then the port is closed, and we printed both those statements. And then the final step, we just closed the socket connection. And we'll run through an example of the code. So we did a scan on the local host and found out that port 5,000, 7,000, 888, and 889 were open. And when we ran our nmap, we found that 5,000, 7,000, 888 are open.
In conclusion, enumeration boilerplating stands as a vital component in the world of cybersecurity professionals, offering a streamlined approach to systematically gather information about target networks or systems. By automating tasks such as port scanning, enumeration boilerplating enhances efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in security assessments. This enables professionals to swiftly identify vulnerabilities and bolster defensive measures, whether it's identifying open ports, services, or potential attack vectors. Systematic approach provided by enumeration boilerplating not only saves time and resources, but also fortifies the resilience of organizations against evolving cyber threats. Embracing enumeration boilerplating methodologies empowers cybersecurity teams to proactively safeguard networks, mitigate risks, and maintain a robust security posture in the face of ever-changing threat landscapes.
Right, and these are the 9 resources that we use to build the port scanner. We took each one and tried to find what was basic to a port scanner, and then we just combined all that into build the most simple scanner we could.
And then initially we were planning on adding Nmap to our port scanner, but we realized it was a logistical nightmare with machines and whatnot. So this is on there for good measure.